All right, supper tonight is goose breast, provided to us by our good friends over at the channel Chief and Grandstand. Susan put a salt and pepper brine on it overnight, and I'm going to put a dry rub on it. Then we're going to get it on the smoker. Should take about 90 minutes. I'm going to pull it off after about 60. Put some butter over the top of it, wrap it in aluminum foil, and let it finish. But let's get going. I'm just going to go with this dry rub. We had used a similar rub on our turkey breast, and it came out awesome. This is actually some leftover from our turkey breast, so I'm going to kind of go a little sparingly to begin with. We'll make sure that these are the tenders. A goose has tenders like a turkey or a chicken does. And we'll just add some more of this. We're going to use all of this up. And we're going to get that rubbed in, patted down. We have to try and get some from one side over to the other, but that'll be good. All right. We're just going to pat that on there, get it all covered up good. And now off to the smoker. My smoker's showing 400 degrees, but that can't be right. It hadn't been on that long. But I'm about to open it up. We're going to get the goose on, and that's going to reduce the temperature because of the outside air, and then we'll control it. I only put the top rack in because I'm tired of cleaning the other racks when I'm only using one. Then we've got the tenders. These will be done real quick. Now we'll let it cook. The goose breast is up to about 129. It jumped up real quick. I'm about to take it off. So we're going to butter it and wrap it and bring it back. 2 goose breasts, we're going to add some butter to the top. We're going to seal it up and put it back on the smoker for just a little bit longer. There's the butter. Let's seal it up. All right, we got it buttered. Poured some of Susan's homemade butter on top of it and wrapped it in aluminum foil. Now we're going to put it back on for a little bit longer. Smoked goose, pintos, and cornbread.